Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Khasta Kachori is a delicacy from North India. Khasta Kachori is a spicy puffed pastry. Kachoris are made with a variety of different fillings and I have many video recipes for Khasta Kachori. They are my favorite even more than samosas. Maybe one of the reason is that I can prepare them a few days ahead of time and it can be served at room temperature. Also, it can be served in many different ways, even as a chaat. Today, I am using a spicy besan filling. These mouth-watering kachoris can be served as a snack, chaat, or part of the main meal, making the meal exotic. If you like the recipe, leave a comment and please share on social media. This recipe will make 12 kachoris and will serve 4. For making besan ki kachori, we will need. This recipe will make 12 kachoris and will serve 4. For making besan ki kachori, first we are going to make the dough, and for the dough we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, plain flour or maida, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil and approximately 1/3 cup of lukewarm water. For the filling, we need half cup of besan, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, coarsely grinded, this is saunf, 2 teaspoons of coarsely grinded coriander seeds, dhania, 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, amchoor, 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, and about 1/8 teaspoon of asafetida, hing. So first I will make the dough for kachoris. So here I have all-purpose flour, salt and oil. Mix it well, rubbing it. It's very important because it provides the flakiness and crunchiness. If you have mixed all these 3 things, good. Okay, as you see, everything is mixed well. And now we are going to add the water slowly. For kachori, the dough should be stiff but still smooth. Your dough is ready, and as you see, you can see the layers of the dough. So this is just right. Now let this dough sit for at least 10 minutes, and I have used about half a cup of lukewarm water. So let's prepare the filling. Heat is on, very low. So first I am going to add the oil, besan, and add all these spices: asafetida, chili flakes, coriander powder, fennel seed, mango powder, ginger powder and salt, and just stir. Everything should be integrated nicely, and besan will get roasted just little bit. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. So keep stirring while you are roasting the besan. So besan is roasted well. You can smell the aroma of it and it looks right. So just turn off the heat. Now add about 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well. So maybe 1 more teaspoon. Add the water slowly as we will need. This should become like a crumbly dough. 1 more spoon. So this is the 4th tablespoon. So mix is ready. As you see, it's a very sticky dough, and this will sit about 5 minutes before we will fill this in kachoris, and by that time it will get a little bit more dry. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes. So dough is looking good, and now you have to just knead a little bit, not much. And divide the dough in 12 equal parts. I don't like to make the kachoris very big, but you can adjust the size your liking. Okay, now take one part of the dough in your palm and just roll it, and with your fingers go around, giving them a shape of a ball. Center should be thicker than the sides. And now put about 1 teaspoon of filling and take the edges around and seal it. Make sure it's sealed really good and everything looks nice. I have filled all the balls and now I am ready to roll them. But before rolling it, make sure they do sit about 5 minutes. That way it will be making easy to roll and they will spread out very nicely. Okay, so I'm going to roll it. The seam side should be up, and just press it with your palm and just go around. You don't really need to use the rolling pin. So this looks just right. Okay, if you cannot do with your palm, still press it and then just go lightly with the rolling pin. So whatever is easy. Just see if oil is ready. Just put your palm over it, not very close, and you can see the heat. And oil shouldn't be very hot, just moderately hot. As you see, it is sizzling, and this is the right sign that oil is done. And here. And they are coming up slowly. Don't overcrowd them. They will start puffing up also. Most of the kachoris should puff up. Wait for about half a minute before you turn them. Don't fry it on very high heat. They are going to be soft, and you want the khasta kachori to be khasta, means crispy. Okay, now I'm going to just turn them. You do have to turn them 3 to 4 times. You want a nice color. So kachoris has nice color, nice and brown, and they are looking very crispy. So it's time to take them out. See, both sides are same color. Just do rest of the kachoris the same way. It took me about 4.5 minutes. Khasta kachoris are looking delicious, crispy and flaky. Today I will serve them with aloo tomato ki sabji. I have done this recipe earlier. For more recipe, please visit manjulaskitchen.com. Thank you.